Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make healthy and simple delicious wrap. These are the ingredients you're going to need: a quarter cup of cheese, a quarter cup of tuna, 3 eggs, a few baby spinach, and 1 green onion, and 1 tortilla wrap. Let's get started. Now we're going to start by cutting the green onion into little pieces. Now we're going to crack 3 eggs into the bowl. On a medium heat, we're gonna grease our pan with olive oil, or you can use any oil that you would like. Let's go ahead and put in our eggs. Now that your egg is halfway through, let's go ahead and place the tortilla onto the egg gently. Let's go ahead and flip our tortilla wrap on just like that. Okay, let's go ahead and put our tuna on the top. Spread it out evenly. Now go ahead and put the cheese on top. Let's go ahead and finish it off with the green onion, and lastly the spinach. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and transfer our wrap onto the plate.